right here, we got the DSi Pokemon Black version. If you never heard of that, it's just like a design of the Pokemon Reshiram and Zekrom on the front. So I got that, and the music's a little loud in the background. And I got this for my DSi too, got a little case. And I already have the Pokemon Black game. When I saw it and I got it, it came with one of these and the Pokemon Black game. So I'm so happy to open this up. I'm really excited. So right here. Okay. We have like over here. Unit. We got right here the operations manual. Let's see this thing real quick. See what it has in here. So I first got the operations manual, a little quick start guide, different languages, and mine, Jordan Koga, Nintendo Power card, and oh my god, this is what I think that was so heavy. How much pages does this have? Okay. This has 330 pages. Oh, that's why there are all these pages, because they're all in different languages. I guess the brown is English, so I'm going to be reading that. So, I forgot to show you the quick start guide. The quick start guide is just so it just shows you some of the operations that you start to do when you turn on the power, start to do all the stuff. That's my friend Kevin rolling around a lot over there. But okay, back to the DSi. There we go. There it is. And here, let's open this part up first. We got the charger, which is very good. Let me open this up and see if there's a difference of the charger. See that little case? Oh, yeah. The other one's a little more fatter. This one's a little more skinnier. Got the charger right there. Stylus. What? Okay, now I see it. Ooh. A little more bigger, not smaller. There's the stylus.
Is it bigger or smaller?
It's a little more bigger, I think. That's a little more smaller than I've seen it before. But, okay. Now we're going on to the DSi. The biggest part. Dun dun dun. And it's really cool thing. See, look closer, you can see Reshiram and Zekrom. It says Pokemon Black. There's the camera. Don't want to touch that bad. And I'm gonna find out what those three things stand for. Okay. Here's a difference. I just found out a difference. One, there's a camera on here, and two, the power button used to be like the power used to be over here where it says the lighting, it says green or red, and it used to be two lines, and now it's just 3 lines. And I don't know what these 3 lines stand for yet. And oop, there we go. SD card slot. My dad just found an SD card for me. I'm gonna put that in. Go. Whoa, this is sweet. Look at this. New LR buttons. It's the LR button. Sorry, my dad was talking to me, trying to tell me some tips. See, the LR buttons are more like clickier. Like that's not like the original DS Lite used to have not a click. This has like a click sound. There's the DSi slot. On the back, it just says Nintendo DSi. Ooh. Oh, 2 styluses. Stick that back in. So, volume's right there. Ooh, that's like a little push panel now. It used to be a slider. And now on the side, oh, look at that. the power button's not there anymore. I wonder where the power button is. Open this baby up. Ooh. So, I guess this stands for Wi-Fi. How much Wi-Fi you have, the charging, and the power. Ooh, there's a power button right there. I'm not going to press that yet. I'm going to wait till the DSi review for the power button. So, oh, found out something new. Another click sound. There's a clicky sound to both of the stylus. Start and select same. There's a camera right there, so I can just take a camera like that. Whoa! Oh! There's a new notice. Screens are way larger. And it used to be little dots right here for the sound, but now it's this little opening. And the screens are larger. Close it up. Oop, there's a difference. There used to be a Game Boy slot right here. No more Game Boy slot. And the power used to be right here. I mean, the volume used to be right here. And right here's the headphone slot, which is not here anymore. And starting to get thumbprint pads. I hate that when I see that. So, okay. That's all the differences. Next time I'm gonna be doing the review, and I like to see you watching my video next time. Peace out.